Meow Wolf in Santa Fe, New Mexico. It is over 20,000 square feet of art and mystery, taking you to other dimensions. Let's go check them all out. We made it outside of the dimensional portals. I can't believe it either. What all did we see in there? There was glowing things and gems and bones and cake and an anomaly and a whole story. What is Meow Wolf? Is it a museum? No. Is it an escape room? No. Is it somewhere cool to check out when you're in Santa Fe? Absolutely. I'm still not sure what the heck's going on, but it sure was fun. Next time you're in Santa Fe, make sure to hit Meow Wolf. Bye all. See you on the next adventure. There's a reason they call it the House of Infinite Returns. It's because you keep coming back. Clever, clever, clever.